Chainlink left this range downwards for the first time this year. But from this dimension, we have seen a bullish reaction, meaning the question arises, will we see rising prices again or will we fall even lower? In this video, I will talk about Chainlink and share my price prediction for the future. Before we start the video, join my free Telegram group where I share daily analyses on Chainlink, Bitcoin, and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. Chainlink is currently ranked 15 among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $7.8 billion. The coin has been around since 2017 and we reached an all-time high in 2021. And after this longer consolidation phase in these last lows, we then made a bullish move upwards. We first saw some rejection here in this supply zone. Because of this up, we saw a move, a lower low, meaning this high is theoretically strong as we have seen from this reaction. However, we were able to break through and set a very bullish signal here. However, after corrected and are caught in this longer range. And on the daily chart, you can see that we have formed a range low here and have often bounced back here. Always seen bullish reactions every single time. But recently we really closed below with a candle body here for the first time, which is certainly a rather bearish sign at first. However, we have this here. Massive candles, and when you observe the whole thing, we've seen a small consolidation here, a demand zone where we saw the bullish origin upwards, then further bullish prices, and of course at this range low massive liquidity accumulated, because when a retailer goes long, he usually sets his stop loss below the last lows, and these were taken out repeatedly. And now we have really worked through all the positions here and immediately saw this bullish price action because this bearish candle did not really close bearish, formed, then it only closed slightly bearish, and the next candle was bullish. Closed above this range again or in this range. And now if we just rising upwards and taking out this last high is a very bullish sign because we have taken massive liquidity here as mentioned. And if this is sufficient and drives the price back up, then as I said, that is a very bullish sign and the chances are high that we will continue to see rising prices. And on the 4-hour chart, we can see that we are still clearly in a bearish trend. We saw lower prices here, and particularly interesting is this last swing, which means we had a educated then made a deeper low because we broke this low here, broke this entire range. And now it's crucial whether this last high, which was the origin of this movement, can hold or whether we break above it and find bullish acceptance again. That means if we take out this high, we would be back in a bullish structure on the 4-hour chart, or we would have a break-off structure here and then the chance would be high that we would indeed see higher prices. As long as we do not break this high, then the chance is significantly higher that we will consolidate here or see significantly lower prices. And when we look at the liquidation heat map, we can see that we have massive liquidity. Precisely accumulated above this high pressure area. This means the chance is high that liquidity was taken here again. Many people went short here and of course placed their stop loss positions and over this high gap. And if we reach and liquidate these, we could then see significantly higher prices. And we have a bit of liquidity here at around $12.10 US. On this liquidation heat map, you can see even better that we are still getting liquidity here, which of course makes sense because we have here only saw slow price action. This means that many people probably ended the market here and placed their stop loss positions under these, made the last significant low, and then the chance is high that we go down again. Escape. Take this liquidity, and if we then retest this area again and see bullish price action, then the chance is high that we will rise upwards, and as mentioned, it will be crucial for me how we approach the $14.76 react. However, if we break down here and find acceptance below this last limit zone in the form of daily candle bodies, then I think the chance is high that we will see significantly lower prices, but as long as we don't really break it downwards and acceptance find, the chance of seeing rising prices is higher. And then the next interesting price, this last high here at around $19.20, and if we should also break this, then of course this supply zone is crucial. So high at $22.85 and on the way to the all-time high, these three areas would be very interesting for me. Price targets. In the long term, I think Chainlink is also a very good project and we will see significantly higher prices. That means right now, of course, spot-wise very good entry prices, because I personally think that a price of about $83 for this bull run is still very realistic, and from the current prices to this price would be over 540% potential. And that would also be very good potential for a major coin like Chainlink, which has already established itself over time and has a large market capitalization. That means, as I said, in the long term, I think there are currently very interesting positions for spot purchases. And as I said, I currently think that it is also a very bullish sign that we here seen this bullish price action. But as I said, it is very crucial for me to get this next bullish confirmation. If we, as I said, if we break this high here at around $14, then we are really in a bullish structure again on the 4-hour candles and could look bullish again on the larger time frames trending. So folks, thanks for watching. I wish you much success in trading and see you in the next video.